Hello everyone, myself Nilesh Lakshmi. Today's date is 7th December 2021. Today's my Viva video topic is SCP. It means string constant. So first of all, what it means by string? So string is a sequence of character. One of the most important characteristic of string in Java is they are immutable. Okay. So string are immutable. So in the other word, once created, the internal state of string remain the same throughout the execution of program. Okay. So this is immutability is achieved through use of special string as a string constant put in the heap. Okay. So in this article we will understand about the storage of the string. Okay. So uh, so string is constant put is separate place in the heap memory where the value of all string which are defined in the program are stored. Okay. When we declare a string, an object of type string is created in the stack, while an instant with the value of string is created in the heap. Okay. So on this standard assignment of value to string is variable, the the variable is allocated the stack. Okay. So while the value is stored in the heap in the string in the string constant pool. For example, let us assign the some value to string. Java string is defined and the value of assigned is. Okay. String, just create a string string 1 equals to double quote hello. Okay. So the following the uh, double dot in the above scenario, a string object is created in the stack and the value hello is created and stored in the heap. Okay. So since we have normally assigned the value, it is stored in the constant put area of the heap. Okay. So a pointer point toward the value stored in the heap from the object in the stack. So now let's talk the same example with multiple string variable having the same value of follows. So let's create string. Uh, uh, let's create one string start 1 equals to double dot hello, and second string created start 2 equals to double quotes hello. So in this case, both of the string object get created in the stack, but another instant of the value hello is not created in the heap. So instead the previous of instant of hello is reused. So the string constant pool is a small cache the reside with the heap. Okay. So now Java store all value inside the string constant pool on the direct allocation. Okay. So now this way, if similar value need to be accessed again, a new string object created in this stack can uh, reference reference it directly with the help of pointer. So now in the word of string, constant pool exists mainly to reduce the memory uses and improve the reuse of existing instant in memory. So when a string object is assigned different value, the new value will be registered in the string constant form. As a separate instant, let's understand this with following example. Okay. String start 1 equals to double quote hello. String start 2 equals to double quote hello, and string start 3 equals to double quotes class. Okay. So in this way, one way skip the memory allocate is to use new keyword to creating a new string object. The new keyword force newly instant to always be created regardless of whether the same value was used previously or not. So using new forces the instant to be created in the heap outside the string constant put, which is clear since and reuse of instant isn't allowed here. Let's understand with example. Okay, so this is all about SCP. Okay, thank you.